Time to let Kermi out. There he is. All excited. Well, he sounds angry, but he is excited, trust me. Move your foot. And he's coming. Come on! Come on out! He's stubborn. And he makes me put my hand. This is really hard to record and do this. Hold on. Step up. Yay! And that is what he does every time. I'm trying to get him flying. Jesus is quick. Okay. And then he calms down. Hi! He calms down eventually. And then he's really cuddly. I need that you hold him. Kermi, hi! You gonna fly to mommy? Kermi, come here. Good boy! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi, Kermi. Say hi, pretty boy. Ooh. Yay! And he's gone on his little perch. He's mental. He loves flying. He always comes back to me, which is brilliant because it's just nice. He is actually the grumpiest thing I've ever met. Like, these little noises he makes, they're constant, and I don't know what is wrong with him. He's just a grump. Say hi. Say hi, honey. There. That's pretty Kermi. Update. Hold on. Fly to me. Good boy. He still hasn't learned to really perch on my, like, land on my hand. I mean, he did it the first time, but he's but he's shit at landing. He always has been. I think he panics. Yeah, that's you. So that's Kermi. A little update. This fucking Kermi, would you stop that? Say hi. Come on, step up. Step up. Let go. I love the sound of his wings. Kermi! Come on, Kermi! I think that's the noise you make to get a cat. But I do it for the bird, so yeah. It works sometimes. Like now, he probably won't come. He's chilling out on the perch I made him, which is made out of a hanger and a belt. I think that's in one of the videos. Come on! Come on! Pretty boy! Kermi! Are you coming? Yeah, so he's happy. Happy chilling. Happy chilling. Chilling like a villain. Huh? I think he's molting because he's scratching his head a lot, like off everything he can. Come here. Come on. Kermi, come on. You gonna fly to me? Come on. He's an attention seeker. To the max. Kermi. Pretty boy. Always falling asleep. What's wrong? Yeah. Come on, honey. What's wrong? Hi. Oh, he landed on my hand. Yee! He's a cool budgie. He's a cool budgie. What's up? likes doing my hair. Oh, on the iPod. So, oh, see, oh. Hi, say hi. God. Come on, come on, come on. Kermi, come on. He tried. It's his landing. He's shit at landing. Kermi, come on. Come on. I know you can do it. What if I stop this? Step up. I don't know if anyone else's Budgie does that, but Kermi's a bastard for it. He loves to like bite and chew everything. Like, it's just weird. And sometimes it hurts, like, because he really can. I had one of my friends in here. He's actually on YouTube, so you'll probably see this video. But yeah, he started biting his ear. And this guy is like a big guy. He's like 6 foot. I don't know how tall are you, Damo? 6'2" or something. Fucking hell. But